Pour vinegar on your feet and wait. Once you discover what this does, you'll want to try it today. I learned this from an elderly woman who lives in the countryside. She used this trick after spending the whole day on her feet, cleaning the house, washing clothes, taking care of the grandchildren, and I can guarantee you that after I tried it exactly the way she explained, I never stopped doing it. The first thing you'll need is a basin. Start by pouring 1 liter of hot water. But since the water is very hot, I add half a liter of cold water to bring the perfect temperature for my feet. This is a simple, homemade trick. No fancy creams, no frills, just ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Now that the water is at the right temperature, the first ingredient is salt. 2 tablespoons. Regular table salt works well. Next we add white vinegar, 2 measures as well. This is essential, but I won't tell you why just yet. Hang on a little longer. Next, olive oil. Don't hold back. Put in 2 generous tablespoons. It may seem strange, but trust me, it makes a big difference in the final result. If you've heard of this, or if you've seen your mom or grandma doing it, leave a comment. There are old remedies we've forgotten over time, but they still work better than many expensive products out there. See how the skin becomes dry. That's just from spending the whole day in sandals or walking barefoot around the house. Something many housewives do without even realizing. The problem is that over time, this dryness doesn't just lead to cracks. It opens the door to thick calluses, painful fissures, and even invisible fungi that hide under the skin. And most people don't even notice this until it starts to hurt. Once everything is ready, dip your feet in. Let them soak in the mixture for about 20 minutes. Relax. Let your body rest and your skin absorb every drop of it. And maybe now you're wondering, okay, but why exactly am I doing this to my feet? Well, here comes the answer. And it might surprise you. This simple mixture has a powerful effect. It targets exactly the areas that cause deep cracks, hardened calluses, athlete's foot that's been around for years, and even fungi under the toenails, the kind that most people don't even know they have. And that's not all. While the ingredients do their job, your body relaxes, swelling decreases, and your skin absorbs every drop of this natural formula. And the relief you feel afterward, you'll notice the very first time. If you do this only twice a week, you can say goodbye to dry, cracked feet. No more pain when walking barefoot or that irritating discomfort at bedtime. If your feet also get dry, try this tonight. Then tell me in the comments if it worked for you. And if you know someone who suffers from this, share this video with them. It can really help.